If you are tired of ghosted applications and resume black holes, you've clicked on the right video. Today I've got 5 AI tools that'll supercharge your Upwork bids, your LinkedIn game, and all of your in-person interviews. This can save you hours and it can land you gigs fast. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. My name is Tyler. You're with What's Next. Without further ado, let's dive in. The first app we have is tailor, which is your ultimate free resume wizard that scans any job posting from anywhere. It pulls out killer keywords like magic, and it builds ATS-proof resumes in just a matter of minutes. Now, there is no guesswork. It gives you unlimited free scans, cover letters, which is very important, job tracking, and also a Chrome extension, which means that you can get customized content for every single gig without breaking a sweat. In my book, it is a total game changer because it turns an average resume into hiring magnets, skyrocketing your interview callbacks by matching what recruiters actually see. Alright, let's level up. We're going on to number 2 now. We're looking at AIapply. AIapply is a free autofill tool that zaps through endless job forms. It auto-tailors your resumes and cover letters to perfect them and to fit each individual role, and it even auto-applies for you. It gives you unlimited free apps across more than 50 sites with zero hassle or typing marathons at all. Why is this so epic? Well, it slashes the daily grind from hours to minutes, letting you spam high-quality apps while focusing on closing deals and stacking wins. Next up, number 3 on the list, we've got careerflow.ai. This is a free LinkedIn optimizer, a job tracker, an ATS checker, plus it gives you mock interviews and resume reviews that make your profile really pop. It offers one-click tweaks which boost your visibility up to 10 times. It auto-suggests connections and it flags perfect matches. It's insanely awesome because recruiters find you first and not the other way around. This means that there's no more endless scrolling, looking for jobs, just simple inbound offers and effortless networking. Now, if you've made it this far, you get to put a tool that you think is awesome down in the comment section below. You can also share this video or you can subscribe for more awesome content. Right, let's jump back in. Number 4 on the list, we have interviewing.io, which is an AI mock-up tool. Basically, it gives you real-time feedback on every single answer you have. It gives you coding challenges, tech role simulations, and behavioral practice. The anonymous mode hides your identity for zero pressure runs, plus it gives you detailed score breakdowns. The real magic here is that it replicates real interview vibes perfectly, wiping out nerves and turning shaky auditions into confident offers literally every single time. Now, number 5 on my list might be unexpected, but I guarantee you, even if you're not looking for a job, this tool will come in handy. And guess what? It's free. We're having a look at Grammarly, which is an AI writing ninja, catching grammar slips. It suggests punchier phrasing, it gives you tone tweaks for more professional polish, and it has a plagiarism check. It works in Upwork proposals, emails, and pretty much anywhere else. It's got unlimited words in their free tier, and it really is a client magnet because it gives you flawless, persuasive, copyright content. Basically, well-written content screams, hire me, because I have attention to detail. And this is way above your sloppy competition that is not using a very simple tool like this. Now, if you would like to use these tools and you don't know where to actually apply them, I've got a video just for you. You can go ahead and click right over here. I'll see you over there. And until next time, make sure you keep on asking yourself, what's next?